content? I'll show you content. I'm gonna give you the best content.
VTuber 一問一答自己紹介。それじゃあ行くよ、せーの。お名前は？
I am Nagzz21
呼び方は？
Our Private.
あなたは何系 VTuber？
I am a normie.
誕生日は？
Once a month.
年齢は？
20,000.
性別は？
Me, caveman.
身長は？
5'3"?
出身は？
From Boston.
チャームポイントは？
I have kids!
突然ですが、モノマネどうぞ。
Just milk like me.
活動場所は？
I stream on Chatterbait.
はじめの挨拶。
What's Haruka having?
終わりの挨拶。推しマークは？
Dang hands up.
配信タグは？
Rick Tech W.
ファンアートは？
What is that?
ファンネームは？
The Hive Mind.
好きな色は？
You do brown?
好きなことは？
Oh, Steppy!
得意なことは？心の一言愛の告白。
Just pissed myself.
好きな食べ物は？
A lot of cheese.
好きな飲み物は？
Ha!
好きな漫画は？
Food a boot.
好きなアニメは？
Bible Black.
好きなゲームは？
The Lord's Gate.
好きな音楽は？
The Ken song.
苦手なことは？
I'm scared of bears.
尊敬するのは？
Think of the Grizzly.
叶えたい夢は？
Get me some Ken.
最後にみんなに一言どうぞ。
Wenn Frühstück to get to School, Verschwaschen the School Fagenburger, Transkun gets. Come check out the streams. Devs, I need that piece of wood, and it's not letting me get it. It's in the table? What do you mean it's in the table? Oh. Never mind. Thank you, Shavaxi. No needed, devs. We're good. I'm sorry.
It's all bots. And to prove it, I will send Omigilal from all my bot accounts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What does Italian pig sound like?
Boppity boopity. I don't know. I don't know. That's what I would guess. E. E. Wait, is the bitrate messed up or something? You guys keep talking about bitrate. Oh, I do have a notification. Are you guys... Wait, actually? I look 240p? What the fuck is going on? Oh shit! What happened? Wait, what happened? Whoa! What's going on? Where the fuck is the fish? That you're talking about? In the boat and head straight, not in reverse. Here, I'm gonna head straight. Go fucking straight. In the boat, head straight, not in reverse. If you go in the boat and head straight, not in reverse. Yeah? I don't even want the fish anymore. Eat fucking fish. Yo, mods, actually ban anybody who talks about this moment or talks about fish. So I'm gonna let him stay so nothing...
J. Bagels was struck by lightning.
Don't. Oh, don't do it. Don't.
Ken! What a great waifu! I'm here today to show you all about Ken! Ken! She's the very best! She will put every anime waifu up to the test! Whenever I'm sad, I get me some Ken! My penis goes up! It never gets bent! I said Ken! She's the best! I'm gonna throw up.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna throw up.
Because it reminds me of Nagzz, that is a hard pass. Hard pass. Hard pass.
And I got plastic rings. I have. Well, they're not plastic. Shut the fuck. Not you, Tenma. Fuck you. They're not plastic. I have 3. I'm a 3-time champion in Overwatch. Okay. I have a Jump King. Speedrun in Jump King. I'm 7-0 in endurance streams. Okay. I am a fucking Prof G. And those 3 championship rings are in Overwatch for 3 different teams in 3 different tournaments with 3 different heroes. What do you think?
What do I think?
Yes.
Wait, red is mute?
Okay, try moving up 4 spaces. Can you move up 4 spaces?
Ah, motherfucker, he left!
What the fuck? What is he? Here. Bro, there's so much stuff in.
Hello? Hello? This is Nagz's chair speaking. He's incredibly smelly today. I just thought you guys would like to know.
Next.
Now we sacrifice the scaly.
So Ice Spike biomap? I'm sorry to hear that. I have only a few. What's an Ice Spike? A dono wall. What happened? Here you go. It looks like this. Oh, okay. Let's see. Ohio,
Texas.
Arizona,
Britain.
Belize,
Italy.
France,
Madagascar.
Antarctica,
Japan.
China,
Thai.
One.
2.
God bless you.
D.
This is nuts.
クソ野郎
Let's go!
Let's push, boys!
Let's go! Let's go!
I make all my games from what I produce. I don't lose, I learn, don't get confused. Peace in the dark, cause I work fucking hard. So many nights sitting in the graveyard, cause they lost to the grind, but that's fine as a start. To do something great, sacrifice is a part of it. It's just the start of it. You can't start then quit. You have to harness this, cause energy is bliss. And when I swing, I miss, but then I swing and hit. So I'ma swing again, and I'ma swing again. Then I'll be taking off, cause I don't wait or pause. I got the game unlocked, I never mind the clock. I take the last shot, I got a fast cross. Villain energy, cause I'm the last boss.
Hit me in the face and I'm hitting like that. I enjoy the chase, so I'll stay on track. Yeah, I enjoy the race, so I'll make that bag. Got a lot of dreams that I'll make come true. Got a lot of things that I wanna do. Got a lot of goals that I wanna prove. And there's not a lot of time, so I gotta make moves.
Yo, alright. So, Let me mute this. We're gonna stay here. Okay? We're gonna stay here. If it crashes out,
3 sub.
we're gonna go right to Discord. I seen some
Let's
jitters,
go.
but we look okay. Yeah, I always rock the hat on.
Next.
I just chill.
Today's word of the day is schätzen, which means to appreciate in
up.
German, but it can
I
also
was up
mean
till
to guess
like
or
6.
estimate. You
Testing.
always need to put it in the right
Well, I'm
context.
shocked.
For example, ich schätze eure Unterstützung, which means I appreciate your support. I'm sure Brian just butchered that sentence, but whatever. Maybe we'll hear from one of our many Germans here how to say it correctly and thank this community for their massive support.
Next.
Today in history, in a Sacramento, California, courtroom
muting
on
right after
January
these.
22, 1998, Theodore J. Kaczynski pleads guilty to all federal charges against him, acknowledging his responsibility for a 17-year campaign of package bombings attributed to the Unabomber. It was either this or the Battle of Rorke's Drift.
Tier 2 sub.
Oof.
The Blue Pitbull, 33 years, dude.
Next.
Oh my god, thank
I
you.
saw you went on a date yesterday.
I did.
Did you get lucky?
No. Unfortunately. No.
Let's go, baby!
But we both like mozzarella and tomato together, so we're going on another date. So we'll see if it will work. We'll see. Hopefully. Hopefully. Atrum.
Right then, it's really important that you hear this, Nagzz.
Okay, I'm ready.
Your future depends on it.
I'm ready.
Why? Connection lost.
Let's
Right
go,
now, it's
baby!
pretty good. If it drops, I'm out. I don't even want to deal with it today. I'm out. So, but as of right now, it looks pretty good. And today, after stream, I gotta go play Minecraft and, like, practice. Yo, Chibi was here earlier. Let me ask her if she wants to fucking practice.
Nag love.
I wanna know. Chibi, you still here? Can we practice today? Yeah, she's probably gonna, hold on. Let me message her. Hold on really quick. Hi. I told her set up a fucking team practice. She's the team leader. She's the captain. This is what a captain does. Captain is to set up the team so we can have goof around and practice. That's what they do. But if this does drop out,
You still running off McDonald's Wi-Fi?
yes. Yeah. I just woke up, by the way, so sorry if I'm a little cranky or like I just seem out of it. I was up extremely late testing all this shit out. It was working really great yesterday on OBS. I'm on Streamlabs now. I'm trying both of them. I ran it for like 3 hours playing Overwatch with a 4K video going while streaming on Discord while streaming on my burner account, and I didn't have a single drop. I'm fucking exhausted. So I don't know if it's, and if it happens here, then it's Streamlabs. Why do I look weird? Because I'm fucking tired. That's why. I have bags under my eyes. That I was running tests to see if this works. So if it does drop, I got no time for that, and we're just gonna do it in the Discord. We're gonna do it right in the Discord. But I will wake up. I'm gonna get a Red Bull shortly, and I know you guys will always wake me up. We'll hop in the Discord. When we hop in there, I'll go grab a Red Bull. But yeah, so far so good. So we'll see. But yeah, if I look pale and like death, it's because I just woke up. I'll snap out of it in a little bit. Look paler than usual? Yeah, I'll snap out of it. Here, you want me? But because I got fucking bright lights on my face. Here, look, I'm not pale anymore. It goes to my regular skin. See? Look at that. If I just fucking lower the lights a little bit. There you are, Chibi. Oh my god, there you are. Okay, yo, can we have a team group today and like play together? You're the captain. I would like to play, like just fuck around, goof off. Yo, can we? I'm free after 8. Can we do that? I just can't do it on. No stream. Like no stream. Just off stream. Just hang out and goof around for tomorrow so you can prepare. Yo, set up the team captain. You're the team captain. Set it up. I'm in. Look at this motherfucker with her sponsor. She's gotten too big for us, boys. Yo, let's do it. I'm excited. All right, after stream, done. I'm gonna be done by 8, so I'll be free whenever you're done. All right. She doesn't even look at this. She's big time now. Literally big head, big time.
10 gifted
I'm actually
subs.
very excited now. It's
That's
gonna be fun.
a lot.
That is gonna
I
be
am now
fun.
possessed and need help. Can you feel
Master Felly. I'm playing it. Then I'm muting the alerts. I don't want you guys sending anything. This is the tier 2, tier 3 stream. This is a thank you stream for you.
10 gifted subs.
Wait, those were 10 tier 2 subs. Bro!
10 gifted subs.
Yes! Let the spirit flow through you, child! Feel it! Feel it! Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned.
Dude, Master Felly, thank you so much. Wait, why did it... Bro, I got Chatterino. Why is it blocking Suwo on the Chatterino thing?
Naglove.
Why?
Next.
Chibi's gotten almost as big as her head.
Dude, also, you know what? You guys get these special little... Keep it private. This is a private stream, so keep it private. Do not say anything. You are the first to know. And I'll give you guys more details in the name when I discuss with him over it. We already got like already a lot of guests lined up. You do not repeat this. This stays here. Small hiccup? Okay. It's got to be Streamlabs. I'm off of Streamlabs. Unless they offer me a big contract. You hear that, Streamlabs? I'm leaving you. Because I did it on OBS for about 4 hours in a row till 6 in the fucking morning and not a single blip. Do you hear that? So you need to offer me a big contract. Because I'm gone. If I'm getting blips. Big fat contract. So... Okay, you guys can hear me now? We're good? The blip is done?
Next.
It's my birthday today. Don't worry, Sutu played the birthday song for me earlier. But I am now 1 year closer to my inevitable death.
Alright, we're good, right? We're back? We're back, kind of? Okay. I'm probably good. We're gonna probably just hang on Discord, guys, to be honest. And we'll be unfiltered on there when we do it. Unfiltered, no fucks given. It's a secret tier 2, tier 3 channel, so as long as you have your Twitch linked. Is it really an F? We're good?
Let's go, baby!
Tier 1, let's go.
I'm gonna break my shit. I stayed up to fucking... are you serious? We're good? Okay. I'll just say it quick. I'm probably gonna get... Honestly, I'm getting off this. This is gonna stress me out. I'm on, like, no sleep, bro. No, alright. I'm on no sleep. I'm switching to OBS. Streamlabs, if you hear this, you're just gonna have to give me a big contract, because I can't deal with this. I did OBS yesterday, literally for 4 hours straight, till 6 in the morning. Nothing happened. So... I'm sorry. I'm going to that. I'm moving everything over. That's number 1. Number 2. Leave this here. This is like a little secret. I briefly brought about it, but it is made official. We got a name, logo. We already have guests lined up and everything. But don't say anything. I'll make the announcement when it's like official, but we're already fully in the works with everything. Me and RPR are gonna have a podcast for interviewing and like, not interview, but like, just bullshit and like with VTubers. Yeah, me and RPR. It's gonna be awesome. So do not say anything. You heard it here first. We made it official yesterday before I went on with Joel with Porcelain Maid's show. It's gonna be awesome. So you guys are the first. Do not say anything. This is the private stream here. You guys heard it. I'll announce it publicly when we get closer to it. But it's gonna be coming soon.
Stitches.
It's gonna be very, very soon. Within like the next like 3 to 4 weeks. We already got like our list of guests. This is gonna be a lot of fun. So I think I'm gonna get off this, and we're gonna be unfiltered in the Discord. So, you guys okay with that? Just because I don't want to get stressed out. I want us to have fun, and you know what? We could literally let loose and be unfiltered anyway, and have fun. So, I mean, within TOS of the Discord, you know what I mean? You know what? And it switches something up. It'll switch it up this time. It'll be something different. So again, come to Discord. You have to link your Twitch so you could join the secret
Don't
channel.
say anything about what? I didn't hear anything.
My man, Tiro, just make sure you have it linked so you can. It's a secret tier 2, tier 3 channel. It'll pop up once you're linked, and as long as you're tier 2 or tier 3 or VIP, it's linked so you could join.
Next.
I'll be at work. Enjoy a Sunday Nagzz and
Thank
chat
you, Claw.
smile.
And for, well, I'm not streaming Monday. I got the event, again, the event Monday with Chibi, tomorrow. But Chibi, I know you were still here at Mooney. Yo, I'm down for after stream to goof around and practice because I haven't played Minecraft in forever, so that'll be a lot of fun. So, all right, I'm signing off. I will go right into the Discord right now, unfiltered. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about this. But yeah, I'm switching OBS. Streamlabs, if you hear that, hit me up for fat contracts. It's the only way.